Okay, hang on a minute. All right. Here we are again. Oh, shit. You know, if I don't just jump in and do these things, I never will, okay? Ow. Okay, so Charlene Vanessa Edwards Honeywell, born November 19th, 1957. Her birthday's coming up. I bet she's taking time off for that, huh? Is a United States District Judge of the United States District Court for the Middle District of Florida. Okay, here's a picture of her. So she is the person that will be deciding in favor of very weak accusations, if you want my opinion, of Yvonne Grant versus Rachel DeMartin. You know, and we all know the propaganda that has been put into the media against the royal family. And here she is. And Barack appointed her. So to the chick on Twitter that said it's in the hands of the law, no, it's in the hands of Charlene Edwards Honeywell, appointed by Barack Obama. Now, I don't know if this is intentional, who the last judge was that dismissed her case. Oh, I'm sorry. But these details are very important. So what do you think will happen? Do you think that this will affect the case? Well, of course it's going to. It's going to be the way she views very vague bullshit that Samantha's putting out there. That she implied that she was a charlatan and that the sales of, quite frankly, a really shitty book, the something sister of Princess Pushy. So could I just suggest that itself is defamatory? Now, you know how I feel about Sparkle's Markle. I mean, I think I don't have a lot of happiness or respect for her, but I don't have a lot of happiness or respect for Yvonne either, especially when she changed her name and then started hitting all the tabloids and getting paid for it. She's asking for $75,000, which is frankly jack shit for someone that's got supposedly a multi millionaire 100 gazillion times over and all this shit. So no, it's in the hands of her. She was born in Deerfield Beach, Florida. Graduated from high school in 75. So she knows the Diana story. You see, this is what I was saying. Is that going to matter? I don't know. She earned a Juris Doctor in December 1981 from Frederick G. Levin College of Law at the University of Florida. She served in the Tallahassee Public Defender's Office. Oh, this must be a tough case for her then. So she was a public defender in Tampa. Oh, and then assistant city attorney for the city of Tampa, spent 6 years at the Tampa law firm of Hill, Ward, and Henderson. So you'd have to look at the types of cases that she's worked on, and that is going to form the way she's going to view this. But I can't imagine in a million years that she would ever take a look at a case that's so weak, you guys. Come on. I mean, are you serious? So I can't even believe it. And the fact that Samantha actually has the gall to waste a federal court's time on this shit, saying, hey man, my sister implied something and I want $75,000 from her because my book sales weren't as good. It was a shitty book. Honey, if your book was good, it would have sold. Don't blame that on someone else. I don't know. These are my opinions, and let's see what kind of cases she worked on. Um, she narrowly lost a bid for re-election in the fall of '94. She's been around for a while. She applied for an opening on the Florida Circuit Courts, inspired in part by the appointment of Peggy Quince as the first African American female justice on the Florida Supreme Court. You guys, so Jeb Bush appointed her to a judicial post on the 13th Circuit in Hillsborough County. And then Barack appointed her? Huh. So the Senate confirmed her nomination by an 88-0 vote on November 9th. Okay. And then we get, please see list of African American federal judges. So, okay. So, does this help you guys just a tad or not? Because she's going to decide whether her case is going to be heard or not. And Megan wants it dismissed. Now, what do you think might happen? Put your comments. Thank you.